can't handle Hayabusa, you just can't ride.
See the spark from the Glock, the trigger to a dope for the niggas standing on 10 and knock them off his toes. I put the man in the air, they like who I smoke, and I beat that case without snitching, boy, I'm 3-0.
YouTube, what's going on, y'all? Hope y'all is having a great day as always, Ranger. But YouTube, man, we are back for another video. I got the Jetta right here. I might watch the video, come on now, bro. I might watch the Jetta later in the video when I get back. But right now, as you guys can see, we got the boost out. This is ridiculous. This is, I shouldn't even ride the bike until I clean it. That's actually embarrassing. But guys, we're gonna get this kicked off, man. Hop on this bad boy, go ahead and get her kicked in gear, and let's get up out of here, guys. First things first, I just wanted to start off by saying, man, thank y'all for the love on the last video, man. I really did try to put a little bit of effort into editing the video and shooting it with all the right settings on the GoPro and color correcting where I need to and this and that. You know, I really did put a good amount of effort into that video, and it definitely shows, and I appreciate the love, and I appreciate you guys that commented on the video. So we're really gonna try to keep popping these videos out, man. I'm honestly gonna try to get at least, if I can't do one video a week, maybe I'll do like 2 videos every 2 weeks. 2 videos every 2 weeks. I hope y'all liked it. It got a good amount of views. It got way more views than like my other previous videos that I've recently been uploading. So I'm gonna just try keep it on the up and up. Try to keep the editing up to par, you feel me? As good as I can, as good as I know how to. I only know how to do so much, you feel me? But man, we're gonna keep pumping these videos out for y'all, man, because I really enjoy making these videos. Like, editing that video was actually pretty fun, I'm not gonna lie. Editing the video and looking back and seeing all the clips that I made, I was like, damn, that's kind of tough. That's me. But like I was saying, y'all, man, if y'all got any suggestions, y'all just let me know. I'm honestly down to do whatever, you feel me? I'm down to take a little bit of a ride. I really want to go to some of the meets up in like King of Prussia area. It's the what is the name of that place? It's like it might be Motor City, or it's like some kind of like apparel store for like motorcycle riders. I honestly forget the name of it, but it was like at the King of Prussia Mall. I went to it last year, and it was pretty dope. There's a lot of nice bikes out there. It was the first time I seen an M1000 RR. Like, seeing an M1000, like, that's just like, that's like a Bugatti basically of motorcycles, damn near. Like, that was crazy to see in person. And I know other people might see it a lot, all these other influencers, but to me, I was like, oh my, like, I was like sitting there like, yo, what? But yeah, I do want to start going to some meets. Once we get this thing a little bit faster, we can start doing a little bit of roll racing. Maybe there's some guys in upstate Delaware that got some fast bikes, so maybe we can get out there with those boys and get some roll racing going on. But right now, man, we're just stuck in traffic. That's all we got going on so far in this video, man. I'm sorry. Sorry I can't entertain y'all anymore, but right now this is all we got. Y'all want to see what construction they got going on? All my construction workers, what they doing over there, what they got going on. And one thing I did want to address in this video real quick, there was a few people across like different platforms. I'm not sure if there was a comment on YouTube or not, but a couple of people were saying like, no clutch, why are you not using the clutch? Okay, so the Gen 3 Hayabusas, they came with a factory quick shifter. So basically, the only time you really need to use the clutch is when you're stopping or you're taking off. I mean, obviously, like, I can sit here and still go through the gears with the regular, just, you know, shifting the bike, but when you're accelerating, it's just easier to use the quick shifter. So if any of y'all were curious as to why I'm not using the clutch when I'm shifting, it's because this bike has a factory quick shifter, which is a little finicky sometimes. Sometimes it won't go into gear. In my last video you seen, I was going from first to second, and it just went right into neutral. down. And I was like, yeah, it wasn't supposed to happen. But it's actually not bad. For a factory quick shifter, I mean, I've only ridden on a bike that has an air shifter before, which is all the same concept. But I like it. It's nice. It's just one of them little creature comforts that if you're buying a 2022 motorcycle, you'd probably want it with a quick shifter. I mean, depending on what kind of rider you are. I mean, I have no problem with it, which it really doesn't matter because you can still shift it regularly. So it honestly doesn't make a difference. But you can downshift, upshift without using the clutch. It's kind of nice. You can call it a, oh, bro, you're not a real rider because you're not freaking using your freaking clutch when you freaking shift, bro. Like, okay, if that makes me any less of a rider, then fuck it. I don't know what I am now. I'm just riding a fucking bicycle with a motor. I think in these next couple of videos, what I really want to do is get some really good back roads and get some good turns in, because I'm really starting to get a little bit more comfortable now doing getting a little bit sideways on this thing. We're getting there. Who said a Hayabusa can't handle? Who said that? Who said the Hayabusa can't handle? Not me. If you can't handle a Hayabusa, you just can't ride. If you can't handle it, you just can't ride. I ain't gonna lie to you. I hear people talking online like, oh, the Hayabusa is heavy. It doesn't handle like a 1000, like a GSXR 1000. Yeah, no shit. But if you're a little boy and you don't got no muscles on your bones, of course it's a heavy bike. But when you a grown freaking man, this right here, this is not heavy. I don't even know, to be honest. I know it's above 400 pounds. It might be above 500 pounds. If I'm not mistaken, it's like 5 and some change, like maybe 530 something. Like with a full tank, full fluids, all that. But with me on it, it's about 700. About 700 something. Because I'm up there, I'm about 185. So she's a big girl, but if you can't handle it, you just a small body. You need to get in the gym. This is a bike for a grown-ass man, not no little boy, not no little 17-year-old that's, oh, I want my first bike. Nah, this ain't no first bike, champ. This ain't no first bike, champ. Go ahead and get you a little Ninja 400, whatever you like. Whatever you guys out there in the world like. The little R3s, they're not bad. The little, what else they got? The KTMs, you feel me? Like the little Moto GP style bikes, I fuck with them. Those are tough. They not bad. They cool. But this right here, this is a grown man go fast bike. Now, if I really wanted to go fast, I would have got a Gen 2 Hayabusa. But the opportunity arose, so we have a Gen 3 now. You feel me? And there's nothing wrong with the Gen 3. I like the Gen 3. I'll be completely honest, I thought I was recording for like the past 30 minutes and I just realized I was not. A very, very unfortunate situation.
Come on, 4, 5, 6, alright, 4, 5, 6, head crack a nigga with this 4-5. Nigga tweaking at the dice game, I think he took a coke sniff. Oh, you smell that? Nigga left the bowls of me and took a trip to Cali. Do you think he got his bread back? Cough, cough, the answer no. Flip, flip. I turbo hit the switch one time before we go. Run that back, turbo. I hit this bitch again, get on some other shit. Hit the box with $10, double back and tell you you'll go.